Hello, YouTube folks. Today is 26th of January 2026, 26, and I am in a beautiful sales pavilion of Emaar properties. And today with our team, look at this. This is Dubai Hills Estate, the green heart of Dubai. Yeah, today with our team, we are going to see the most expensive villa community of Emaar properties called the Oasis. This is the project, the Oasis by Emaar. Guys, this is the most expensive mansion villa community of Emaar properties. Look at the planning, look at the layouts of the clusters, of the villas, of the mansions. Look at this. Some of the mansions have basements, some of the mansions have lifts, elevators, so basically very rich luxury stuff. Look at the water. This neighborhood is for people with a real money. So, and Emaar prepared a special show villa for us, the real estate agents, and for maybe buyers, sellers, whoever is interested in the villa, to go touch, feel the product that is gonna be here very soon. And just to compare, look at this. This Dubai Hills Estate is planned for 33,000 units, approximately similar sizes, only 3,000 units, approximately 3,100 units. And you can imagine the open spaces. Basically, open spaces and greenery means luxury, it means money, it means more privacy. And yeah, buckle up, we will go there and check out the quality, the layout of the villa, of the Oasis by Emaar Properties. In case you're interested in real estate in Dubai, whatever it is, apartments, villas, townhouses, I got you covered. We finally arrived to the show villa, or a real villa, in the Oasis, the most expensive villa community or mansion community of the Emaar properties. As you can see, this is the garage that you use it for your car. It opens automatically. Look at this, double heights ceilings. This is Mirage 5-bedroom villa in the Oasis. The construction is going at its peak. This is our boss. Let's discover it.
Okay, we enter the property.
Look at this. Okay, first thing on our left hand, we see this beautiful powder room, but very big powder room, let me tell you. So one sink, two sink, toilet. Okay, you see this elevator, the lift. Okay, on our first right hand, this is your foyer, double height ceiling. Look at this, the main dining room. So on our right end, we see this beautiful walk-in closet. This is, I think this is one of the bedrooms. You see there is an exit also to the plot of the villa. Look at this. Nice and big. My partner is sniffing around. Checking the quality. The quality, let me tell, look at the thickness of the wood. I like it and I approve it. Now look at this. Look at this beauty. I'm reminding you again, we are in Oasis 5-bedroom villa. Okay, there we go. We've got the basement also. And before we go to the main attractions of the villa, let's discover what we have in the basement. We've got a basement as well. As you can see, very big and spacious. Wow. Yeah, this is a basement. This is a kitchen. Dirty kitchen. Show kitchen. Wow. This is the back kitchen and the dirty kitchen. We've got everything. This is the elevator for food. Yeah. Everything, the hub, gas hub, whatever your workers. You see, you've got also access to outside here. Look, this is stunning. See, you've got stairs also from the ground floor that brings you down to the basement floor. And this is our basement. Very, very good. Now let's check out the other sides. Okay, we've got the lift as well. Shall we use the lift? We've got here another bathroom. We came up from the basement. Now this main living area. Okay, we've got another kitchen as well, and as we assume, we've got the show kitchen and as well the back kitchen or dirty kitchen. And again, the elevator for the food. We've got a whole another system out here. Colleague is checking the quality of the wardrobes. This is the maid's room. Maid has got her own air conditioning system and her own toilet and a washroom. Standing washroom. There is no jacuzzi or so. Right, we check another laundry room because we've got this water access. So you can see the pipes, lots of wardrobes, and let's check out the outside, the plot.
The plot is huge. I think they're also provision for swimming pool. Maybe they will have a swimming pool as well. Look at this. Construction is going crazy. The plot is very good. Look at this. You have 10 kids. You just let them outside. They work.
We enter the property again. This is, I don't know, from the basement, I would call it double height ceiling, but I think this is triple height ceiling. Look at this, like a loft style, whatever, every style is here in this villa, 5-bedroom villa. All right, let's discuss.
Upper floors, shall we? A traditional way of going upstairs without using the lift.
All right, this is the elevator. One of the bedrooms. As expected, the walk-in closets. A big, I would assume this is a master bedroom. Very high quality tiles. Look at this. Imagine this. The neighborhood is gonna turn into billionaires hub in likes of Emirates Hills, Al Barari, Jumeirah Golf Estate, and so on. And people who really appreciate their life, who really want to enjoy and taste the real definition of retirement, buy in the Oasis of Emaar properties. This is our bus. Okay, we go out from the master bedroom. This is a walk-in closet, same story. Very beautiful and quality wood out here. The bathroom and the shower. Look, you've got a lot of bathrooms and showers. The elevator. Okay, we've got another floor, second floor. Yeah, I was wondering where are the balconies, but here they are. Quite good quality. Look at the thickness of the doors. I like it. And I approve. Another room. Okay, access to the balcony. Okay, this is... Wow. So this is the main closet, or? Yeah, this is the master bedroom, yeah. Midhat, what is this?
This is the master bedroom, and this is like a walk-in wardrobe you see here.
Wardrobe, yeah.
And that's how it's continued to the washroom. Come, I'll show you. Shower, washroom, and look at the bathtub. It's still in the construction, so
This is
of
the
course
bathtub, yeah.
quality is going to be much better once it's finished. And,
No, I like it and I approve it.
Yeah?
It's very good.
Right. Share this video with me as well, Bob.
Sure, I will. This is perfect. So, the other things, the other rooms, I assumed they are master bedrooms, but this is a real master bedroom. Look at this. It's beautiful. It is beautiful, yeah. Well done, Emaar Properties. And this is for your Rolex and Richard Mille, whatever you got. Yeah. All of your hard work in your life has finally paid off. But we will discover the second floor. Finally, the lift.
No, the master bedroom is good compared to this is one for bedroom. This is five. I do not have. I do not see five there. Should be better.
Another
Yeah.
washroom with a shower. View to the neighborhood, to the community, to your neighbors, and the terrace. Of course, terrace. Terrace. Yeah. This community will be filled with lagoons, greenery, open spaces, and billionaires, including you. So that was our quick tour, bus tour or whatever, real estate tour of a 5-bedroom villa of Oasis by Emaar Properties. For questions, or if you're interested in the real estate of Dubai, whether they are villas, townhouses, apartments, studios, 1 beds, 2 beds, whatever, rentals, I got you covered. See you around.